What's up everyone? If you have a dry hair like this, look at my hair, it's too dry. So how do I get the dry hair? Because it's been 2 months I don't apply no any hair oiling on my scalp, because it's a summertime, and in summer when I apply the hair oil product on my scalp I get the pimples. So that's why I don't use no any hair oiling on this summertime. So I have a one simple remedies to fix my dry hair, so which can help you too. Okay, leave it, my English is too boring. So I have a one small piece of aloe vera, fresh aloe vera, which I get it from my garden. So guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your dry hair by using aloe vera gel. Let's do it. So perfect, I already apply aloe vera gel on my hair. Okay, so I will leave it this aloe vera gel on my hair around 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then I will wash it by using normal water. Okay, I don't use no any hair shampoo, no any hair conditioner. Okay, just chemical free normal water, that's it. And you can apply this aloe vera gel 2 times a week. And I think in my case I already tried before 1 year ago, and it's really help you guys to fix your dry hair. And it's been 1 month, 1 year again. So again I'm going to continue this journey, okay, to fix my dry hair. That's it guys. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys.